If we bring it around, so if you feel where this is where your top of your pelvis is, you've got your waist here, you can feel these lower ribs here. And here you've got where the stern, this is the breastbone here, and at the bottom of the breastbone is a V shape. So you can feel that in your body. So you're going to put this, this scarf or just your shirt pulled around you and hold it, cross the two pieces over, hold your hands so you're looking at the palms of your hands, grasping your hands over the, like you're holding this here like this, and just gently, like just firmly squeeze around your lower ribs, not tightly because I don't want you breaking any ribs, but just gently so you just feel that you've got a snug fit here. And now what we're going to do now, so you can see how your elbows can move out and in. Bring your elbows, just let them be there. And now just do a little movement of squeezing your elbows into your waist area and drawing your hands apart. So you feel that you'll get narrower in your ribs. So there I am here. And then let the breath come in, like using your breath to help push against that, that scarf, and let the breath come in so that now the front of your hands will come together and your elbows will come apart a bit. And then squeezing again. And the hands come apart, the elbows come in, and then releasing. So feeling as you're breathing in, you're getting wider and the circle's getting bigger. And then as you're breathing out, the ribs come in and the circle gets smaller. Now, as you do this, can you take a breath into your lower belly as you breathe in? Let your knees bend a little bit. So you're breathing into the ribs, but you're also breathing into your lower belly as well. And you're breathing out, pushing through your feet, engaging the pelvic floor and drawing the diaphragm up. So this diaphragm in the pelvic floor is drawing up. The diaphragm in your belly is drawing up. So you're breathing in, your hands come together, the elbows come apart, you're breathing out, drawing the ribs together. So I'll send you this video so you can be able to see this, because it's a lot to be thinking of at once. You're breathing in, you're bending your knees, and your hands are coming together, the elbows are coming a little bit apart. Breathing out, pressing your feet down so your knees straighten, your pelvic floor engages, and this diaphragm engages. And now we're going to add the mouth to that. So you're breathing in through your nose, down into your belly, feeling these ribs expand, and you're breathing out and making an ooh, or just not even making a sound yet, just blowing out a candle. And what this blowing out the candle does, these round muscles, these ring muscles, sphincter muscles are in your mouth as well. So as we're blowing out the candle, we're engaging the sphincter muscles in your mouth and your throat. Breathing in, bending your knees, breathing out, pushing through your feet. And now we're going to add a sound to that. Ooh. Breathing in and breathing out. Ooh. Breathing in. Through your lower belly, through your nose, breathing out. Oh. And then just let that go. Just drop your scarf away. Just stand again and notice how you're standing now. How your spine is supporting you. And now let's make that neutral sound that you made in the beginning. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah.